Do you know the number of military aircraft owned by countries around the world? Luxembourg has a military aircraft. Luxembourg has no conventional army, mainly relies on international cooperation. Not only does it have two military aircraft, not only does it border China's Tibet Autonomous Region, military aircraft are used for domestic security and emergency rescue missions. Benin has two military aircraft. Benin is a West African country. Military aircraft are used for domestic security and defense needs. Includes fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters. Belize has two military aircraft. Belize is a Central American country. Military aircraft are used for patrolling, emergency rescue and supporting other military missions. Suriname has three military aircraft. Suriname is a South American country. Military aircraft used to monitor domestic airspace, border patrol, search and rescue operations. Moldova has three military aircraft and the Central African Republic has three military aircraft. Sierra Leone has four military aircraft. Madagascar has four military aircraft. Latvia has four military aircraft. Kyrgyzstan has six military aircraft. Côte d'Ivoire has six military aircraft. Estonia has six military aircraft. Lithuania has 10 military aircraft. Montenegro has 11 military aircraft. Mongolia has 11 military aircraft. Congo has 13 military aircraft and Nepal has 15 military aircraft. Niger has 16 military aircraft. Nicaragua has 16 military aircraft. South Sudan has 18 military aircraft. Mozambique has 19 military aircraft. Albania has 19 military aircraft. North Macedonia has 20 warships. Ghana has 20 military aircraft. Burkina Faso has 20 military aircraft. Bofi has 22 military aircraft. Mauritania has 23. Ireland has 23 military aircraft. Gabon has 23 military aircraft. Cambodia has 24 military aircraft. Tajikistan has 25 military aircraft. Senegal has 27. Cameroon has 31. Namibia has 32. Eritrea has 33. Laos has 34. Guatemala has 34 military aircraft. Chad has 34 military aircraft. Slovenia has 37 military aircraft. Paraguay has 39 military aircraft. Mali has 39 military aircraft. Tanzania has 40 military aircraft. Panama has 41 military aircraft. Honduras has 43 military aircraft. New Zealand has 45 military aircraft. El Salvador has 46 military aircraft. Congo has 46 military aircraft. Botswana has 46 military aircraft. Slovakia has 48 military aircraft. Uganda has 50 military aircraft. Uruguay has 52 military aircraft. Hungary has 57 military aircraft. Dominica has 63 military aircraft. Bolivia has 64 military aircraft. Armenia has 64 military aircraft. Georgia has 66 military aircraft. Bulgaria has 66 military aircraft. Lebanon has 78 military aircraft. Cuba has 80 military aircraft. Croatia has 80 military aircraft. Turkmenistan has 86 military aircraft. Sri Lanka has 86 military aircraft. Ethiopia has 89 military aircraft. Beijing has 90 military aircraft. Jack owns 97 military aircraft. Zambia has 98 military aircraft. Norway has 100 military aircraft. Austria has 101 military aircraft. Portugal has 104 military aircraft. Belgium has 106 military aircraft. Kuwait has 114 military aircraft. Denmark has 115 military aircraft. Paris has 116 military aircraft. Serbia has 117 military aircraft. Ecuador has 118 military aircraft. Libya has 127 military aircraft. Oman has 128 military aircraft. The Netherlands has 136 military aircraft. Nigeria has 144 military aircraft. Romania has 146 military aircraft. Malaysia has 147 military aircraft. Switzerland has 148 military aircraft. Tunisia has 152 military aircraft. Kenya has 156 military aircraft. Finland has 166 military aircraft. Yemen has 177 military aircraft. The Philippines has 188 military aircraft. Sudan has 191 military aircraft. Belarus has 191 military aircraft. Uzbekistan has 197 military aircraft. Qatar has 198 military aircraft. Bangladesh has 204 military aircraft. Sweden has 205 military aircraft. Vietnam has 223 military aircraft. South Africa has 226 military aircraft. Argentina has 228 military aircraft. Kazakhstan has 237 military aircraft. Peru has 246 military aircraft. Singapore has 248 military aircraft. Venezuela has 250 military aircraft. Morocco has 250 military aircraft. Jordan has 256 military aircraft. Myanmar has 280 military aircraft. Chile has 289 military aircraft. Angola has 302 military aircraft. Ukraine has 312 military aircraft. Australia has 353 military aircraft. Iraq has 361 military aircraft. Canada has 376 military aircraft. Syria has 453 military aircraft. Poland has 459 military aircraft. Colombia has 465 military aircraft. Indonesia has 466 military aircraft. Mexico has 468 military aircraft. Thailand has 488 military aircraft. Spain has 517 military aircraft. Iran has 541 military aircraft. Algeria has 547 military aircraft. The UAE has 565 military aircraft. Israel has 601 military aircraft. Germany has 610 military aircraft. Greece has 635 military aircraft.